Hi everyone, welcome back, and we are covering one of the most requested topics in this section. तो हमने अभी कुछ वीडियोस बनाए about top 5 B schools for MBA in healthcare or hospital management and top 5 B schools for HR. और हमने comment section में देखा that there were students who were asking us to cover top 5 B schools for MBA in finance. तो finance is one of the most sought after specializations, बहुत popular specialization है, बहुत लोग aim करते हैं इसके लिए, और बहुत सारे colleges हैं जो finance specialization में बहुत amazing है because they've worked on it over the years. But if we start discussing on all the possible B schools, then it will take a lot of time and it will only lead to confusion in your minds. So what we have decided is we'll stick to the top 5 B schools for MBA in finance. Again, we have a disclaimer. अगर आप गूगल करेंगे, आप अलग अलग लिंक्स खोलेंगे तो आपको दिखेगा शायद कि हर लिंक के हिसाब से अलग रैंकिंग है बी स्कूल्स की कि टॉप 5 कौन से हैं, टॉप 10 कौन से हैं. बट व्हेन वी पुट समथिंग आउट देयर फॉर यू गाइस, हम अपने लेवल पे रिसर्च करते हैं एंड फ्रॉम all the experience and everything that CAT King has from so many years, from the students, from the alumni that we observe, and also from the placement reports and other statistics from the official websites of the colleges, हम उससे data collect करते हैं and then we bring out a list for you guys. So yes, there's a possibility you might find a different set of colleges, or you might find that one of our colleges is not in some particular list. So please do not get confused. Be rest assured that we are bringing out the best list for you guys. As much as we can, we're putting in all the effort. So let's get started. सबसे पहला कॉलेज है in the top 5 for MBA in finance, IIMCalcutta. As we all know that IIM ABC की जो rankings हैं वो हर साल ऊपर नीचे होती हैं, but these are the top 3 which have been consistent over the last many years. Right, so sometimes IIM Ahmedabad is at the first, sometimes IIM Calcutta is at the first, and vice versa. Now let us see कि IIM Calcutta इस लिस्ट में फर्स्ट पे है तो क्यों है. सबसे बड़ी बात, first of all, obviously we all know that it accepts CAT score. इसकी फीस है around 22 lakhs. Now we've covered in one of our sections that highest salary offered in IIM Calcutta was 80 lakh per annum for the previous academic year, and that particular salary was offered in the field of finance. तो जो highest salary है IIM Calcutta की, वो highest salary finance के role में गई है, which means that IIM Calcutta का जो finance है, it is the best course out there in the college, and the average salary offered in the field of finance was 30.6 lakh per annum, whereas the overall average was lesser than 30.6. It was something around 25-26. I don't remember the exact figure. So we can see कि हाईएस्ट सैलरी जो है पूरे कॉलेज की जो गई है वो फाइनेंस के फील्ड में गई है, और एवरेज सैलरी फाइनेंस के फील्ड में इज हायर देन द एवरेज सैलरी of the overall MBA placements, right? So this shows that IIM Calcutta has a very good finance course, and obviously none of us will doubt the credibility of the institute. It is one of the oldest and the best institutes in the country. It is in the top 2 or top 3 every year as per every single ranking. So our first college is IIM Calcutta, and all you need to do is आपको इसके एडमिशन क्राइटेरिया और सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया इसके वेबसाइट पे मिल जाएंगे. We will also cover it in the coming sections, and all you need to do is start working hard for your CAT. Now let's move on to the second college in this list. The second college in this list is IIM Ahmedabad. Just like we discussed a minute back, IIM Ahmedabad और Calcutta की rankings ऊपर नीचे होती रहती हैं, but the reason we gave IIM Calcutta the first position was because 80 lakh है उसका finance का highest, और average भी finance का higher है compared to the overall placements. So IIM Ahmedabad, exam accepted CAT, fees is around 23 lakh rupees, which is almost similar to that of IIM Calcutta. इस कॉलेज में भी जो हाईएस्ट पैकेज गया है ओवरऑल एमबीए का, which was 70 lakh per annum, goes to the role of finance. So again, this shows that finance is the most amazing and the most what do I call it, the flagship course of this college maybe, क्योंकि finance के रोल में मैक्सिमम पैकेज गया है. और एवरेज सैलरी फाइनेंस की हमें अलग से नहीं मिली इनके प्लेसमेंट रिपोर्ट्स में, but the average salary of the overall MBA placements was 25.83 lakhs. Obviously, IIM Calcutta, Ahmedabad, Bangalore are the colleges जिनकी हमें क्वेश्चन करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है कि एवरेज कितना है और मीडियन कितना है. We all know that these are the best colleges out there. So IIM Ahmedabad is the second best college for the finance specialization. What is the third best college? I'm sure you must have guessed it is IIM Bangalore, right? We know that IIM Bangalore is one of the best colleges, top 3 colleges में रहता है हमेशा, right? IIM Bangalore CAT exam का score accept करता है, fees इसकी 21 to 22 lakhs है, average salary offered is 26.18 lakh per annum and median salary offered is 25 lakh per annum. IIM Bangalore की placement reports में उसके highest packages mentioned नहीं है, which is why we did not want to rely upon any other third source, and we just brought to you the average and the median salaries that were mentioned in their official placement reports. So again, IIM Bangalore is one of the best colleges, और जो IIMs हैं, especially the top 6 IIMs, they are known for their general management and also their finance, क्योंकि usually IIMs में बहुत सारी finance की companies आती हैं, and we also know that the batch that comprises of so many different backgrounds, we have a lot of students who come from the finance background who have CFAs or CA qualifications, which is why the finance role, the finance specialization particularly, is outstanding in these IIMs. So the third college to target for an MBA in finance is IIM Bangalore. Moving on to the fourth college, let me drop you a hint. It is not an IIM. So the fourth college is JBIMS Mumbai, Jamnalal Bajaj, as we all know it. JBIMS Mumbai कुछ चीजों में पीछे है बहुत सारे colleges से, for example the infrastructure, but again it always overcompensates. Let us see how. जो exams accepted हैं वो है CAT, GMAT, CMAT, MAT, CET. Now its fees is around 6 lakhs, which is literally almost 1/4 of the fees of the ABCs. And the highest salary offered is 34.36 lakh per annum, and the average salary offered is 22.84 lakh per annum. So you're getting 4 to 5 times the salary compared to the fees that you're paying, which is amazing. JBIMS is one of the oldest B schools in the country. बहुत ही popular B school है, इसमें admission होना बहुत मुश्किल है. And one very important thing to know about this college is it has the maximum number of seats, majority of the seats reserved for the people who reside in Maharashtra. So all the Maharashtrians out there, it is a very, very good opportunity for you. Please keep this as a top 5 colleges, even if you don't want to pursue finance. For the regular MBA also, JBIMS is one of the best colleges out there. So this was our fourth college in the list of top 5 colleges for MBA in finance. The last college in this list is FMS Delhi. Again, this is not an IIM. Again, this college does not have a huge infrastructure, not spread across 75, 100, 200 acres. But yes, FMS Delhi is one of the best colleges. And this is one of my personal favorites because fees iski hai 2 lakh rupees. Highest salary offered है 58.6 lakh per annum. And the average salary offered is 25 lakh per annum. So now आप अपना ROI calculate कर लीजिए. Even if you end up with the average salary, you will be able to pay back. वैसे तो 2 लाख रुपए के लिए लोन यूजुअली लोग नहीं लेते, but even if you invest 2 lakh rupees, just imagine that with your first salary, with your first paycheck, you will have already received a return more than the fees. So guys, FMS is also very popular for its marketing, but yes, finance के लिए भी FMS बहुत amazing college है. So ये पांचों colleges जो हमने यहाँ mention किए हैं, these are the best colleges out there for an MBA in finance and also otherwise. So if you're planning to pursue an MBA, और अगर आपने सोच लिया है कि आपको finance में pursue करना है, तब तो आपकी definitely top 5 list यही होनी चाहिए. But अगर आप अभी भी confused हैं कि आपको कोई और specialization करना है, तो भी these 5 colleges are there in the top 10 best B schools in India, and you should definitely consider these. So I hope this section was useful to you guys. It was informative, and I hope ये आपको आपके decision making में help करेगा. But this is not enough. You guys need to put in a lot of hard work. So start now if you haven't. Follow us, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon. We don't want you to miss out on any information. And हम रोज आपके लिए अलग-अलग टाइप की न्यूज लेके आएंगे. आप प्लीज कमेंट्स में लिखिए अगर कोई स्पेसिफिक न्यूज है जो आप चाहते हैं हम कवर करें. अभी तक आपने जो भी लिखा है, we are taking note of it, and we'll definitely come back with news on that particular topic. So like the video if you like it, and speak to us in the comments below. I will see you guys very soon. Until then, all the very best and study hard.